Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 159. I wish there were more people who would remember the saying that to understand everything is to forgive everything. In other words, whenever there is cause to criticize the actions of others, we should try to get at the real motive of the actions, and then we should be more charitable towards such persons. I know there will be some who will object to this view, but my dear friends, if there is to be a larger hearted sympathy abroad, I am sure there is no other way of attaining it than that I am advocating, and no other way in which there is anything like so much chance of success. How can there be true brotherly feeling in our hearts if we condemn others before there is an opportunity of understanding their motives? And if we pass upon their actions a hasty judgment in order that there may be an advance in this matter, people will have to look above their own desires of making their way in life at all cost, and instead think of increasing their value to mankind in general. Full stop.